What's up, everybody? Welcome to Glass Can Bottle Beer Reviews. What we got right now is Paradise City Session Ale. This is from Birdsong Brewing Company, Charlotte, North Carolina. I don't think I've done any Birdsong reviews. Pretty darn good brewery in Charlotte. Another one is Sugar Creek. Both of them are coming through pretty strong, pretty good. These guys make a jalapeno pale ale that is really cool. I'm gonna do one. I'm gonna do a review on that. I mean, it's a really cool, different type of beer. It's not too hot, like Ass Clown in near Charlotte area. It's Cornelius, North Carolina. They do some crazy stuff like ghost pepper IPAs, and I mean, I like hot wings, stuff like that, but I drink a little bit, just a sample and that stuff. I can't taste my mouth for a week. I mean, it's for real ghost pepper, but these guys make a great one. This is Paradise City. Shout out to my buddy Chris, got me this. Gave him a couple beers. He's always giving me good beers to drink. 4.8%, it's a session. Talks about bright tropical notes, clean finish, 100% drinkable dank. Hey, start using those kind of words, kind of touch my heartstrings a little bit. So we're going to try this thing out here. Yeah, I didn't wash out the glass, whatever. I don't even know what was in there last. Okay. Oh, wow. It does have a decent dank note. Kind of has kind of a Pilsner malt note to it too, though. Smelling the lotion on my hand. Just took a shower. I had to use my wife's chocolate mocha. When is that? Whenever lotion. I smell like a freaking piece of chocolate. I mean, I like to smell my wife's. When she smells like chocolate, I don't smell myself smell like chocolate. It's the only chocolate I like. Mocha. Alright, let's see what we got here. I think it looks prettier on the camera than it does in my hand. That's about what the color is. A little lighter than that, actually. I'm too lazy to put everything up on here tonight. Maybe I'll just hold it. Didn't get my fancy Nintendo and Xbox One cartridges up here or boxes. Actually pretty good. My squirrel game ain't right on my left hand, so I gotta get over here to my right. Pretty good. Move around here. Pretty good nose on it. It's pretty floral hops, and they're pretty nice. A little bit of like a top grass dank, not dirty dank, but a grassy type dank, or a leafy tree dank, where it's kind of sweet but kind of pleasant, not too dank, but just just enough to, hey, it's dank, I'm outside, it's good, it's good. Give it a taste here. Not a whole lot going on, to be honest with you, with the taste. Like I said, I've been drinking a lot of good beers tonight. That could be a problem, but pretty plain. Not really no bitterness. I like that. A little bit of floral taste. That, just rained on the trees, summertime type of clean dank coming off of it. Maybe a little bit of bitterness at the end, actually it is. Like I said, it's really nothing malty to say about it. I mean, it's a clean, really easy drinking. I mean, they're going for the session, they got the session. I mean, it's just a clean, easy drinking. A little bit of bitterness, stays on the tongue. Great floral notes to it. That's mostly what you get. Is you don't really get malts or any. It's just some floral, a little bit of especially out of the can. Sweet tree dank, real clean off the leaves. There's a little water dripping off the leaves after it rained. That's when I explain that. This is when I probably definitely drink out of the can at the beach, summer days. Good stuff. I'd give it probably an 8.8. It's definitely up there. Good stuff. 8.8. Good beer. Birdsong Brewing, Charlotte, North Carolina. Thank you.